Welcome to my NetCredit review, where I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this credit builder website. NetCredit is a platform that offers personal loans and lines of credit designed to help users build or rebuild their credit scores. Whether you're trying to improve your credit for a big purchase or get back on track financially, NetCredit could be a helpful option. One of the first things you'll notice when you visit NetCredit's website is how simple and straightforward their loan application process is. The site has a user-friendly interface that guides you through each step. You can easily see the types of loans they offer and how they can help you with credit building. Whether you're interested in a personal loan or a line of credit, NetCredit gives you a range of options depending on your credit situation. When it comes to eligibility, NetCredit is more lenient compared to traditional banks, which can make it a good choice for people with lower credit scores. After filling out a simple application, NetCredit uses a soft credit check, which means your score won't be negatively affected. Once approved, you'll get access to funds, which can be used for anything from consolidating debt to paying bills. One of the key benefits of using NetCredit is the chance to improve your credit score. Unlike some other lending services, NetCredit reports your payments to the major credit bureaus, which helps to build your credit history. So, if you're consistent with your payments, you could see an improvement in your score over time. However, it's important to note that NetCredit loans can come with higher interest rates than traditional banks, which is something to consider before committing. If you're looking for a quick and easy solution to build credit, it could be worth it, but it's essential to weigh the potential costs against the benefits. Another feature I appreciate about NetCredit is their transparency. The website clearly explains all of the terms and conditions, including interest rates, fees, and loan limits. This level of transparency can help you make a more informed decision about whether this service is right for you. In conclusion, NetCredit is a solid option for anyone looking to build or improve their credit score. It's not the cheapest solution, but it's an accessible and straightforward way to access funds and start building credit. If you're looking for a credit builder website with an easy application process and flexible loan options, NetCredit could be a good fit for you. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more honest reviews on financial tools and resources.